A wish can change the life of a child for more than a moment.
As a WWE Superstar, it is the ultimate privilege and honor to grant a child's wish.
It's the opportunity to give children and their families an experience they can hold on to forever.
Wishes can help children feel better and give them the strength to fight their illnesses.
WWE is proud to have been part of thousands of life-changing experiences over the past 30 years.
But that wouldn't have been possible without the people who work tirelessly to make wishes a reality.
From the doctors and social workers who refer children to Make-A-Wish,
To the volunteers and supporters who give.
you are the true heroes making wishes possible.
Perfect.
Visit wish.org/World Wish Day to learn more about how you can help.